This is the captain speaking. In 2023, we started on a journey to show homeowners how to realistically perform their own repairs around the house without having to purchase or rent specialized and expensive tools under real-world conditions.
Sometimes it's going to be cramped, cluttered.
And sometimes projects that just kept going wrong.
I'm alright. I do my own stunts.
All while setting a foundation for character-driven interviews. For those that haven't heard of us, or you only search for specific tutorials, that's only half of the story.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on our TikTok page to update yourselves on what we have to offer so far. View our content and like, share, and comment on the content you would like to see more of.
I'll wait.
With that out of the way, let us introduce to you Season 2 of the Captain Sail Home DIY Verse. We're bringing back all of the series and mini-series from Season 1 and introducing you to new ones, giving you more DIY tips, tricks, and hacks, while continuing the Season 1 storyline in new and interesting ways. Do with that what you will.
Let's do this.